Well, hello, my viewers. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be frying tortillas. We're going to cut them into thin strips. And, well, this calls for the recipe, 3 tortillas. Then we're going to need black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, crema, Mexican cream. Okay, let's get started. I have oil in here. I use Crisco oil. Let's go ahead. So first of all, cut them in half. All 3 of them are here. Put them together. And then we're going to go for very thin strips. The thinner the better. So, you can see that. Very thin. While the oil is heating up, I'm just cutting the tortillas. I had 3. Now, this is my friend's recipe. So I'm sharing it with you guys. You can make it for your friends and family. Okay. So this is what I have right now. Bring it this way so you guys can see. Like so. Very thin. Now, if you can make them thinner, it'll be great. I'll just drop one. Always heating up. And we're also going to need our 2 eggs. I forgot about these. Okay, let me see. A little bit more. Almost. Trying to get the right one. I guess I'll use this little one. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, it's time to put them in there. You can do more or less, up to you guys. This is very simple and fast. So we're frying up real good. Move them around a little bit to make sure everything's fried. Can you guys see me? Okay, while this is being done, this here. And everything on this side. What else do we need? We have the crema here. Now we go ahead and put the mozzarella also. So they're frying up real good. Takes a bit to fry, so. Flip them the other side, to the other side. Now we're going to turn it down a little bit. Let me show you what they look like right now. Come on, guys, this way. They're frying right now. You see them? Okay, bring it back this way. You guys see? Okay. Here we go. Now at this point, we're going to add our 2 eggs. beautiful eggs. Like so. Go ahead and grab a paper towel. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Not too much. Garlic. Black pepper. And then we're just going to cover it up. Should be done in no time. And I also have my water here. Delicious Dasani water. And we're going to be using this spoon. So what are you guys having for breakfast today? This is, oh, that's Mr. Key again. This is very simple to make. Please enjoy this. Easy and fast. Very simple. Takes 3 tortillas. Second grade. So, 3 tortillas and 2 eggs. Salt, black pepper, garlic. We're going to be using mozzarella also. And our Mexican cream. You can also use the sour cream. It's looking great. Turn it this way. Yes. You can also do scrambled eggs on here, or sunny side up, over easy. How do you guys like it? How do you turn it down to make sure the eggs cook well? So we're just waiting for this to be done. Thank you guys again for joining me. Don't forget, guys, God is good. He's everywhere around us. He gives us what we have. He takes care of us. So please don't forget, guys. Be kind to others. Love your friends and family. God is good, guys. Don't forget. So yeah. Thank you guys for joining me again, and hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, enjoy what I cook here. I cook this for you guys. You can make it for your friends and family. After we're done already. So you can make it for your friends and family if you enjoy what I make for you guys. And thank you for joining me again. And our eggs are done. Perfect. They are very crispy. Let me grab something from this side, excuse me. Put that some aside. This is what they look like right now. Do you see that? Now we're going to move them down this way. So we're going to add our mozzarella as much as you'd like. Just putting a little bit. Okay. Wipe my hands. Crema. Put this aside. And here we have it, guys. Very simple and delicious. Anytime meal. Breakfast, I would say. This is hot, so I'm not going to put on. Let me bring it back this way. So this is what it looks like. Like so. Can you guys see that? There we go. The tortillas are very crunchy and crispy. I hope you guys can see this. Very crispy and crunchy. Bring it back this way. This is a better view. Yes. You got 2 eggs, sour cream, cheese. Simple and delicious. And here it goes. There we go. You can see better this way. Simple and delicious. Very crispy and crunchy. Strips of tortilla. You guys hear that? See that? Very crispy. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Breakfast is so delicious. Okay. Let me show you guys this. I was gonna put it here, but it's hot. Let me show you guys another view. Right here. Is that better? Yes. Crispy and delicious. Tortilla strips with eggs on top, sour cream, mozzarella. Simple and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. So yes, guys, thank you for watching. This is breakfast, lunch, or dinner for today. I made this for you guys. You can cook it for your friends and family. Please enjoy this. Thanks for watching. I will see you. Excuse me. I will see you in the next vlog. Thanks.